Welcome to Peak Planet. Today we're going to talk about how to pack your pack for your flight. We recommend that you pack your 35-liter day pack with everything you will need on the mountain for the first few days. Use it as your carry-on. This is important in case your checked bag is delayed or lost by the airlines. You will want to pack convertible pants, a rain jacket, and hiking shoes. You will want to bring along some extra socks and some light gloves. Additionally, you will like a fleece pullover and your base layers. You want a beanie, a hat, some extra underwear, and a dry weave shirt. Don't forget to pack your puffy. Make sure to pack an Nalgene bottle, and with it some Nuun Tablets Gatorade powder or something of that nature. You'll want to bring a toiletry bag, and in it you'll want to put some sunscreen, some medication. In this case I actually wrapped duct tape around the bottle for blisters. You might also want to bring band-aids, tape, or moleskin. Make sure to pack some lip balm, a toothbrush and toothpaste, toilet paper, and deodorant. If you wear contacts, bring some extra contacts in solution. Bring a Ziploc bag so you can keep everything inside of it dry. In addition to your carry-on, you can also carry another bag like a laptop or camera bag. In it you're going to want to put your camera, snacks, SD card, headlamp, sunglasses, your paperwork, passport, and maybe a tablet. So there you have it, your carry-on bags are packed. If you have some extra room, you may also want to stick in your duffel bag. So packing your bag this way is just a precaution. Hopefully your bags will arrive on time without any incident.